All right, guys, so I have a super exciting video for you guys today. I'm here with my friend Odie, and he is, in my opinion, the king of affiliate marketing. Now,
Thank you.
what a great way to
Thank
start
you.
off.
Thank you.
Now, a lot of people have been asking about affiliate marketing and have actually wanted a more in-depth, in detail sort of interview with someone who's just crushing with affiliate marketing right now. Now I could sit here and tell them all the good things about you, but probably better if you just introduce yourself.
Awesome, for sure. Well, first off, thank you, Iman, for featuring me in this video and on your channel. I'm a big fan of your videos. I think you have some of the best entrepreneur videos out there right now on YouTube. So if you guys are watching this, you're on the right track and you're following the right guy. So just to talk a little bit about myself, if you've never, seen my videos on YouTube or my channel, my name is Odie. I go by ODI Productions on YouTube. I just broke 50,000 subscribers, so super thankful for that. And lately I've been making affiliate marketing videos to basically introduce people to the world of affiliate marketing, which in my opinion is the best online business model that beginner entrepreneurs and anyone really could go after and start today. So I've been doing affiliate marketing for years. I'm 24 years old now. I started when I was 19, so it's been a long journey and it wasn't always easy. I mean, when I started out, I really didn't make much money my first year in online business, and I barely broke even. But over the years, I've accumulated a lot of skills. I've done a lot of learning, trial and error, and luckily to this day, finally seeing the fruits of my labor. And doing well with affiliate marketing. Quick background: I dropped out of UCLA. For those of you who are not in the U.S., UCLA is a top college in America, and I dropped out of UCLA my senior year, with a 3.5 GPA. So my parents didn't like that. I mean, that was it wasn't really a good decision on the outside looking in. But I saw entrepreneurship, I saw online business, and I know Iman can probably connect with me on, dropping out of school and getting out of the traditional educational system. And, I started to earn some money online when I was in college. And once I made enough to, pay my rent, I was out of there. I was, you know what, there's another way, and I'm willing to go for it. And that meant, even if that meant dropping out of UCLA, which was my dream school when I was younger, everything worked out in the end. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. I'm an affiliate marketing expert. I'm now a mentor to hundreds of students, and that's what I've been doing lately. So yeah, that's a quick bio.
Very impressive background, as you guys can tell. Like, he is the real deal. I'm just gonna be honest, there are so many people out giving entrepreneurship advice and stuff like that who are just so full of shit. Anyways, when I find someone who I can tell is just genuine and very transparent, I get very excited. So Odie and I have been Odie and I have
Same
been
here.
Odie and I have been kind of like just talking for the past few weeks or so. Anyways, as I said, wanted to get him on here to talk about affiliate marketing. Now, you guys know I am a big advocate of affiliate marketing, but I just kind of tie it in as this little like side hustle in the bigger picture that is personal branding. It's something that, you recommend the 5-minute journal and you can make a bit of cash. You recommend, the phone case you use, and you should be making money off these little things. But to me, it was never this thing where I got obsessed. But that's not the case with Odie. He has made, he has just become, it's become an obsession for him, and he is just completely crushed it. So, anyways, I know you are a big advocate of affiliate marketing for people who are looking to start their first online business for more reasons than one. So, if you could just kind of touch on that.
For sure. Great question. So affiliate marketing, as I've said earlier, is, in my opinion, the best online business model, especially for beginners who are getting started today. So a lot of you guys who are watching this, you've heard of drop shipping with Shopify. You've heard of Amazon FBA. You've heard of, trading stocks and options and, now crypto. So affiliate marketing, in my opinion, it's a lot different from all of these other business models for a few key reasons. And I'm going to list out a few reasons for you guys right now. So the first reason that sets affiliate marketing apart from all those other online business models is it's one of the only online businesses that you can get started for free, literally for no money down. And you can't say the same about something like, let's say, Amazon FBA, where you need to buy a product, you need to buy software, this and that, and the product inventory is probably going to cost you, 1,500 to 2,000 USD. Whereas with affiliate marketing, you could literally sign up for something like Amazon Associates today for free and look up products and link them in, your YouTube channel, your website, and start earning commission today. Nothing upfront. So that's why I love affiliate marketing. When I started out, I don't know about you guys, but I didn't have capital to create business. You know what I mean? Like, I had to bootstrap. I had to get scrappy. I had to get clever. And one of the ways that I was able to do this is through affiliate marketing, because it didn't require me to buy anything up front or to have, all this inventory. I literally was just referring products through the internet. I was making money from it. So once I got that first taste of that commission through affiliate marketing, I honestly, like Iman said, I got obsessed, and I love the business model. Another reason why I think that affiliate marketing is superior to other online business models, especially for beginners, is you don't need to create products or services. So one sort of resistance that people have when they're starting out is that they don't know how to, they don't want to create a product or service because it takes too much time, they don't have the skills or whatever. With affiliate marketing, you're literally referring products and services that are already being sold. Because if a company has an affiliate program, that means that that product is being bought and sold by affiliates and it's making money. And the thing is, if you're going to refer something like this right here, which is my camera, it's a Sony a6500, people are already buying this product, right? And I don't need to, I don't need to hype it up or build it up or anything, because Sony is already a worldwide brand. The key is to just get in between the buyer and then the purchase. So you're really just a middleman at the end of the day. And an example would be doing like a review of this camera and then having like a link in the description and then people purchasing it through you or your website or your store. So that right there, it's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. And it's something that honestly anyone can get started today. I make a lot of videos that are, I teach people how to get started for free, how to get started with $100. But there's not many businesses where you can get started for actually $0, free out there. So I think affiliate marketing, it's a great thing to just start with, because it doesn't mean that you can't pursue these other business models alongside affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is passive income. It's in the background, so you can literally get it up and running and then just have it earning money for months, if not years to come after setting it up. So that right there, that's why I think affiliate marketing is great for beginners.
And this Thanksgiving weekend was proof of that. He was like,
man.
he went away for like a week. Sent him a message. He didn't reply to me 4 days. He's like, "Oh, sorry, dude, I was relaxing."
All right.
so look. Obviously, this has been a 5-year journey for you. For someone looking to get into affiliate marketing, what is the first step?
First step. Okay, so first step is getting started. You need to get started, and in order to get started with affiliate marketing, the first thing you need to do is create a platform. So depending on your budget, if you have $0, my recommendation for what you should do in order to not only get into the affiliate networks, because you have to apply and get accepted by something like Amazon Associates, I would recommend that you create a YouTube channel. And I know Iman, he's a big fan of he's a personal branding expert, and he's a big proponent of YouTube, and he's using YouTube right now. You're watching this video on YouTube. It's a great platform where you can connect with people on a personal level for free. This video costs nothing for us to make. I mean, other than the internet connection and having laptops, I mean, it doesn't cost us anything to post these videos on YouTube and provide value and knowledge for you guys. And it's crazy because through this, you can post videos, you can do reviews, you can sell stuff, and it doesn't cost you a dime. So if you don't have any money, I recommend you start a YouTube channel. It's the best way to basically create a platform and build an audience. The second way is if you have at least 70 to 100 USD, you can actually create a WordPress website. These are websites that are easy to make. They don't require any coding at all. And when you have a real website, it's another step in creating a real affiliate marketing business. And it will help you get into, the affiliate programs. It will help you to gain credibility and just look like a more legit brand. So those are the 2 steps. Create a platform, choose one, whether it's starting a YouTube channel or creating a website. Then that's when you can apply to Amazon Associates, get your account, and then start looking up products and linking them in your content. So that's basically it.
All right, awesome. So, look, you're 5 years into it now. What is one thing you wish someone had told you before you got started with your affiliate marketing journey?
Man, I mean, there's a lot of lessons that I've learned over 5 years, but if there's one that stands out to me the most, specifically with affiliate marketing as a business, is this, and it's this lesson that I teach and I preach in a lot of my videos. So a lot of people, especially in this day and age in 2017, affiliate marketing has been around for a while, and it's changing. Just like online business and landscape, it's always changing. And the problem is, people who are jumping into affiliate marketing today, they're attacking this business model the wrong way, and they're using outdated methods. Now, what is an example of this outdated method I'm speaking of? A lot of people think that affiliate marketing is you run Facebook ads to like a ClickFunnels page, and then you basically just, you sell products through the sales funnel, and that's basically it. But the problem with this is that people are not likely to buy your product upon the first time of encountering your brand. So the statistic is it takes a person an average of 7 times count them before buying or purchasing from you, before trusting you, before building rapport and buying something from your website, taking out their wallet and actually giving you cash. So the way that you work around this is you need to create a business and not a campaign. So this is the big lesson right here. If you take one thing from this interview for affiliate marketing, is you need to create an affiliate marketing business and not a campaign. So what is an affiliate marketing business? My first affiliate marketing business, it's a website. And the website is actually right here. Not sure if you guys can see it, but that logo is recordingnow.com. You guys can go check it out. So that is an affiliate marketing business, and it is a niche authority website for home recording. So what does that mean? Niche authority just means in a market such as headphones or home recording, you are a trusted source. So if I were to review a pair of headphones like this, it's a pair of V-Modas, and if I were to say, hey, you know what, these are the best wireless headphones of 2017, go out and buy them right now, people would listen to me and they will buy, basically whatever I tell them to buy because they trust my opinion. They trust that I'm an expert and they trust the credibility of my brand. Now, people who are just jumping into this and they're just making these campaigns, these get-rich-quick campaigns, that you have no credibility. You have no brand, you have no following. People are literally landing on your landing page and they're like, hey, who is this person? Or who are these people? Like, I've never heard of them. They're, people are very skeptical, and I'm sure many can agree with me on the internet. There's a lot of skepticism because there's so many, fake gurus and there's so many scams out there that in order to succeed these days, you have to go the hard way, which is creating an actual business. You know what I mean? And it's not something that a lot of people want to hear. A lot of people want to know, hey, give me a step-by-step where I can just click this, click that, and make $1,000, right? I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that doesn't exist. So if you're looking for that, it doesn't exist. There's no free YouTube video that's like click here, all of a sudden you make $10,000. That doesn't exist. The best way to do things is the hard way, is the long way, and that's long term. It's creating a real brand, as you can see right there. So when you create an affiliate marketing business or a brand, this is where you start to see those real, $1,000 per day profit earnings and commissions. It's not when you're doing these get-rich-quick campaigns because those, they die out and they don't last long term. So that right there, that's my advice. I have one more thing to say about that. So affiliate marketing is passive income at its core or at its best. And one of the reasons why I love affiliate marketing is because it's 100% passive income. So Iman was saying how last week, Thanksgiving break, I was in Scottsdale, Arizona on vacation with my girlfriend and her family. And I didn't respond to him for like 4 days because I just, honestly, I put my phone away and I didn't do any work.
As you should do as an entrepreneur. That's what you work
exactly.
for. That's what you work for.
Exactly. I know Imani agrees with me on that. And another thing about affiliate marketing and, just touching upon passive income is that when I say passive income, I mean literally I could take a month off and still earn $1,000 per day profit. And I've done this before. In fact, before I started to make these affiliate marketing videos and focusing on my personal brand, I was making $1,000 a day profit, and I didn't do anything. I'll be honest with you guys. I played video games all day. I went to the gym. I just ate out. I didn't do anything. I didn't work on my business. So affiliate marketing, if you're looking for the lifestyle of passive income and freedom, most importantly, time freedom, to enjoy the money that you make, to enjoy the friends and family that you have, to enjoy adventures and traveling, then affiliate marketing is the reason why I got obsessed with this model, because of that passive income. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, and just to give just a final piece of context, obviously, me personally, I'm an advocate for just literally look at the different financial vehicles out there, pick which one suits you. Literally, you can make $500,000 with 6-7 different means of online business. But just want to give you guys a bit of context. What I love is scale. Because here's the thing: systems break as you grow and grow. The thing that'll got you from 0 to 100K a year won't work when you try to go to $500,000 a year, and that won't work when you try to go to $5 million a year, whatever it may be. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is it's scalable. Now, Odie, didn't you you did $45,000 in 7 days? I think it was.
Yep. That's a video. There's a video up. You guys can watch that one.
Okay.
But yeah, that used to be my salary, by the way. I used to work a 9-to-5 job, corporate America, whatever, and I used to make $45,000 a year. And to be honest, I was happy to get that job offer. I thought $45,000 a year was great, but until I realized that my potential was much higher than that. And once I learned that, I actually got angry that I at once was grateful for 45K. And then I literally 1 calendar year after getting fired from that job, I got fired. I'm not going to lie. I wasn't too good at being an employee. I made that 45,000 in a 7-day span, 96% profit margin. I have the video online, so you guys can watch it.
The video is online, and as I said, guys, there's, I'm very skeptical about a bunch of people out there in this space, and as I said, Odie is one of the just completely transparent, honest people, which I really appreciate. And guys, as I said, a little bit of he's giving you so much value here. A little bit of context as to at the end, to say that this isn't 100,000 a year play like some of the other financial vehicles. This can be a $50,000 a year play, or it could be a $5 million a year play. And there's no the system doesn't break along the way. You make little changes here and there, but it's scalable. And once again, it's a one-man team, as you can see. There's no offices. There's no employee base. It's just
here's my office.
It's just him. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below whether you'd actually like to see Odie back on the channel. I'll discuss with him after this video, but it would be cool to get him back on. Maybe he could give us a module from his course, possibly. Maybe I'll discuss with him. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave his links in the description. Odie, thank you so much for coming on here. I think this has been quite a good interview, and
thank you, Mon. Appreciate it.
No worries. And guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Awesome.
All right.